Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this fantastic 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car is free to tax and has many great features, including this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. You also get rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior with a red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. It's done less than 19,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.